Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add your very own grid here to your video in CapCut. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so first thing we want to do is go across the left hand side, click on library and go down to background. Once in here we're going to find the color we'd like to use. I go look for these long strips. Let's go for a green and we'll add this in to our video. Now, of course, I will try and scale this as much as I can, because next thing we want to do is go to Mask in the very top right, and from here, add a mask, and click on Film Strip. From here, I'm going to rotate this to 90 degrees, just so we have a nice, long, straight line. From here, I can then amend this, so let's go for somewhere around there, and then I'm going to click on this background, press Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, and paste it. Now I have a copy. I can move this one slightly further along, so let's make a grid to look something like this, for example. Of course, I can use basic and choose exactly where I'd like it to go by choosing the positioning. And then from here, let's make another one. Like that one. And this one, we are then going to go and move. And let's turn this one back on its side. So let's go back to 0, for example. There we go. So we want to rotate that back around until we have our grid going this way. And then, of course, we only need to do one more as soon as this clicks in. Perfect. We can then just go and do one more right up here, move this up, and then we can see we have our grid. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.